Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 1017, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 1017? What's the symbolism of 1017? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 1017 mean for love? What does 1017 mean for twin flames? What does 1017 for manifestation? How does angel number 1017 affect finances? What does 1017 mean for former relationships? How does 1017 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 1017? What are the weaknesses of angel number 1017? What's the meaning of angel number 1017? Angel number 1017 is a message of alignment, inner strength, and spiritual development. It combines the energies of new beginnings, 1, divine guidance and potential, 0, and spiritual insight, 7. This number often appears when you're on the right path and being encouraged to continue pursuing your goals with faith. It signifies a powerful connection with your intuition and divine purpose, asking you to stay focused, positive, and determined. 1017 affirms that your efforts are supported by the universe, and success is possible when you trust your instincts and remain aligned with your soul's highest intentions. What's the symbolism of angel number 1017? Symbolically, angel number 1017 represents awakening, purpose, and divine timing. The number 1 signifies fresh starts and leadership, while 0 magnifies surrounding energies and represents spiritual connectivity. The number 7 adds deep wisdom, intuition, and enlightenment. Together, these digits form a sequence that symbolizes the journey toward higher consciousness, guided by intuition and inner truth. It's also a reminder that persistence and integrity attract positive outcomes. Symbolically, 1017 encourages you to lead with intention, listen to your inner wisdom, and recognize synchronicities as confirmation from the universe that you are progressing on your spiritual and life path. What is the angel number 1017 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 1017 encourages personal enlightenment and faith in divine guidance. It speaks to a deep inner awakening, where intuition and insight play vital roles. The presence of 0 and 7 enhances your connection to spiritual realms, showing you're divinely supported in discovering your soul's mission. This number may appear when you're called to pursue a more spiritually fulfilling life or deepen your practice. It's a reminder to trust your inner voice, stay open to learning, and remain aligned with your values. The spiritual path may not be easy, but 1017 ensures you're never alone on the journey. What does angel number 1017 mean for love? In love, angel number 1017 highlights honesty, growth, and spiritually aligned connections. If you're in a relationship, it encourages deeper understanding, shared purpose, and spiritual bonding. For singles, it's a message that a meaningful, soul-aligned connection may be coming, one that supports your growth and authenticity. The presence of 7 asks for emotional wisdom, while 1 invites new beginnings. This number asks you to reflect on your desires and ensure that any romantic connection aligns with your higher values. Whether you're healing or starting fresh, 1017 reminds you to lead with love, clarity, and self-awareness. What does angel number 1017 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 1017 symbolizes soul alignment, progress, and divine orchestration. It indicates that both you and your twin flame are moving toward greater spiritual maturity, even if the journey feels slow or challenging. The ones reflect initiation and alignment, while 7 signifies spiritual learning and deeper truth. This number may appear during separation or awakening phases, assuring you that everything is unfolding in divine timing. Communication and patience are essential. 1017 suggests that the twin flame journey isn't just about reunion, it's about healing and becoming your highest self in preparation for harmonious union. What does angel number 1017 for manifestation? Angel number 1017 holds powerful energy for manifestation, especially when goals are spiritually aligned. The 1 encourages action and focus, 0 amplifies intention, and 7 brings intuitive insight. This number affirms that your manifestations are supported when you maintain clarity, purpose, and faith in the unseen. You're being guided to focus on what truly matters, letting go of fear or distractions. Use affirmations, visualization, and gratitude to attract your desires. 1017 is assigned to take aligned action while trusting the universe's support. Manifestation under this number is about co-creating a meaningful life, not just chasing material outcomes. How does angel number 1017 affect finances? Angel number 1017 suggests financial growth tied to spiritual purpose and personal integrity. It encourages smart planning and aligning financial goals with your deeper values. While material abundance is possible, the number also reminds you that true wealth includes peace of mind and fulfillment. It may prompt you to consider a new job or opportunity that aligns more closely with your spiritual calling. Financial gains may come from work that feels meaningful and contributes to the greater good. Keep your mindset positive and avoid fear-based financial decisions. The universe supports abundance when you lead with clarity and purpose. What does angel number 1017 mean for former relationships? Angel number 1017 invites healing, reflection, and closure concerning former relationship. It signals that it's time to learn from the past, forgive, and move forward with wisdom. The number 7 represents spiritual insight, indicating that past connections served a purpose in your growth. If you've been dwelling on what was, this number urges you to release emotional burdens and focus on your future. There may be a lesson you're being asked to integrate. 1017 also reassures you that you're supported as you emotionally heal and prepare for relationships that better align with your true self and spiritual path. How does angel number 1017 guide your work life? In work and career, angel number 1017 encourages purpose-driven choices, leadership, and spiritual alignment. It may appear when you're being called to shift into a more fulfilling role or to lead with integrity in your current one. The number urges you to trust your instincts, especially when making career decisions. It supports entrepreneurial ventures, new beginnings, or changes that serve your higher calling. If your job feels disconnected from your values, this number encourages exploration of more meaningful paths. Trust your skills and allow your intuition to guide you toward work that nurtures both your material needs and your soul. What are the strengths of angel number 1017? The strengths of angel number 1017 include strong intuition, spiritual awareness, inner resilience, and the ability to initiate meaningful change. People influenced by this number often have a deep desire to live authentically and lead others by example. The combination of 1's drive, 0's divine connection, and 7's wisdom gives 1017 a powerful blend of motivation and insight. It supports growth through introspection, discipline, and faith. This number empowers individuals to navigate life purposefully, trusting in divine timing and their unique gift. It encourages confidence, ethical leadership, and a strong alignment between actions, beliefs, and personal destiny. What are the weaknesses of angel number 1017? The weaknesses of angel number 1017 may include perfectionism, emotional isolation, or difficulty trusting others. The introspective energy of 7 can cause overthinking or withdrawal during times of stress, while the ambitious nature of 1 might lead to impatience or pressure to succeed quickly. Those influenced by 1017 may also struggle with balancing spiritual ideals and practical need. Additionally, the drive for personal growth can create frustration if progress feels slow. This number reminds you to release self-judgment, lean on support when needed, and allow room for rest and reflection along the journey toward achieving higher goals.